Yeah. Look at the floor.
Just got to it.
Look at this.
No fucking lights.
It's a mad thing. Tell them what's happening.
Look, I just been woken up.
Alright.
Who's it? Shit, I'm out. Why? Because you heard tip, so you thought it was a tip. Dripping.
What was
the
it?
whole kitchen's fucking leaking water right now. The whole electric in the there's no lighting in the whole house.
Come from the ceiling.
Yeah.
Which means my man on the first floor is something's going on there. Poor, it stinks up here.
Always goes.
Doors open, you know. I don't think he knows it's us, you know. Man said come in, you know. Downstairs.
What?
What have you flooded? What's going on?
Right now, mate.
What have you done? Because now my kitchen, I ain't got no lights downstairs.
I haven't done nothing, but I've just found it and
You found what?
the fucking kitchen flooded.
How?
I don't know. I haven't done nothing.
You
Is it off now? Is the tap off?
Yeah, I've got to wipe all the floor. I found an old mop there and that, so I'm on the case now to clean. And I apologise. I heard dripping. I didn't take no notice really, but I went out there and it's fucking flooded, mate. And everything's been changed here, I don't know. It's just one of them ongoing situations at the moment. I apologise, mate.
Our kitchen's flooded.
I know. Well, I didn't know, like. It's like when I was flooding with mate upstairs 3 times. I know.
Yeah, exactly. We didn't like that.
I know. It flooded you, but I couldn't
Yes.
clear up. I couldn't get the wall up. I was up all night, 2 nights here. All the seams have been plastered here now. I'm waiting. It's going to be decorated. You know, it's a bloody nightmare, mate. But I'm sorry, but I've got an emergency number for the electrician who will come straight down, right?
What, today? Tonight?
Yeah, they will do. If you ring the up, then through the messages, you go, I've done it 3 times with them.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, I'll call them.
Doors closing. Going down.
Yeah, that, I know I don't want to miss anyone coming.
Floor 0.
Drunk Man Chronicles, innit?
I'm going to mop up the whole kitchen.
But we can't see it. Mop in the kitchen, but you can't see it. How are you mopping when you can't see? Man, just chatting bag of shit.
You know, flipping, that you were saying, you know, like you're saying, how come his yard's so nice and that. It's because it got redone. I just remembered, it got redone from when my man destroyed it up above him.
Tuesday. So what we're gonna do our flooring, because this floor's not gonna be, you know what I mean?
The floor, I want them to come and repaint. I want them to come
Ceiling
and give
as
us
well.
money to do some painting or whatever.
Yeah. Fucked up the ceiling, fucked up the floor.
3 times this has happened.
Yeah. Man said he doesn't know how it happened. What do you mean you don't know how it happened? Did you leave a tap on?
Clearly, this ain't just normal tap. This ain't just normal dropping on the floor. How's it getting through the floor?
Through the floor. Fuck's sake.
The walls are wet. You can see the bubbles forming.
Oh,
you can't really
shit.
see it on the wall. You can't see it on the phone, but
It's there. You can hear it. You can look at it through the light. Go to the bottom. Yeah. Look at the floor.
just got to it.
Look at this.
No fucking lights.
Look at this.
Because she didn't want me to go out there because we've had issues with him before. So can I ask you a question actually? Because we've had, I don't know if you've seen it on the system, but we've had issues with this man for the past, say, 4 or 5 months, say 6 months. He's been racist to us. He's been spitting in our garden, littering his beer cans in our garden, ashing his cigarettes and his books in our garden, burning our furniture in our garden. We buy all this stuff. We reported to you guys once, but because we didn't hear nothing from you guys, we brought it to the police, and we've been brought it to police many times now, and nothing's been happened and has been dealt about, and we've got to deal with this every day. And now
It's come to this.
And it's come to this, and it's ruined our kitchen.
I cleaned up ages ago with flooding, but just an ongoing thing with everything in the flat at the moment, but you know nothing about it, mate, but...